welcome TV ship parties. This is our all-night ship to Koh Tao. It's gonna be one hell of a ride. So come with me and I'll show you my stay. Going to the poop deck. Room 3. Wow.
So a lot of the beaches in Koh Tao, everyone says that you need to pay for, so they range from like 50 baht, which is about what, $3, $4, up to 100 baht, so double that. But the reason why is because most of the time the beaches are connected to resorts. So I don't know if you can see the beach over there. So the resorts are built with beach access, and then for anyone else to actually go in and use them, you usually have to pay. But there's always a way around it. So we've just gone for a bit of a drive. We're in Shark Bay at the moment. Just gonna get some footage of it, go for a snorkel, check it out. But yeah, I'm pretty sure it's about 100 baht to pay to get here, but we found a little shortcut way near the restaurants, and you just walk down all through the bungalows, but you'll see that on the video that will be playing in a while.
Ahead, you should use it. Opportunity, don't you lose it. Climb over the wall, break down all the...
So in the video that we'll be showing shortly of some drone footage, there's a little island at Shark Bay called Shark Island. It was one of the places that we did our scuba diving. So yes, it is called Shark Bay and Shark Island because there are sharks out there. Black tip reef sharks are the most common ones. Hi guys, so we're just going for another drive to Tanok Bay. So again, it's a beach that's onto a resort. This one you don't have to actually pay for. So there's two ways to get here. There's a sign when you're driving along the hill that it says this way to the beach.
I like coconuts.
And then otherwise you can keep driving further, and then there's a resort just down the very end. Either way you can go there. If you do enter through the very end one at the resort, the beach is a little bit dirtier down that end. It's a little bit nicer if you enter where the sign says this way to the beach. But here there's like a few restaurants, you can rent the snorkeling gear and everything, and there's also a rock so you can like cliff jump off. That's in the middle of the water. We inspected it as well, and there's no big reef on the very right hand side of the rock, but we'll take you through some out there later on anyway, but I'll just show you.
comes from lady. And ooh, I want you to take me there. Don't you know?
Hey guys, so we've just decided to go for a sunset hike. We're going up to a place called Frere Rock on Koh Tao. Supposedly you can see the whole island and all the other little islands around it. So just just going for a hike, and yeah, we'll show you around.
I want to love you.